This is the login page of FitZoAI. Now I click on login, where you can see some stats, leads, inquiries, blog, revenue, blogs, and trainer classes, products, etc. Okay. If you need to go any module, then you will have to create a domain first. Like if I want to click on clients, then it will show me create your domain first to get started. So this is the basic requirement to get started. We need to create a domain first, so we will create a domain first. Create domain form. We need to fill this form in order to create a domain. Okay. So if I click on create domain, that my domain will be created. Here you can see domain is created, name Bullfit, and I show you how it show on front side. Close this now. You can manage the status of site. If you uncheck this, then your domain has been disabled, means you will not be able to view your front side. It is disabled now, so I check it again in order to enable. Okay, so your site is active now. Here are many actions you can perform for your domain, like you can edit, config, chatbot setting, manager. We will go through every section one by one. So first we start with the edit domain. Now we will go with next action, domain config, which is a very important and most uh, important part of this domain config, where you can configure your complete domain with these modules: SEO, newsletter, social, footer, video settings, and GDPR. We will go every session one by one. You can also update this session via AI. Here you can see a AI toggle. If you click on it, then it is setting AI assistant. You need to choose language and select content generation type. There are two types, text and images. So first I will generate text, like I am generating text for my meta description. So I will write generate a meta description for my gym site name Bullfit. If I click on generate, then it generated some meta descriptions. Like you can see, there are three meta description it generated. You can copy it directly by clicking on this copy button. There are another feature, import content too. You can directly import any of these generated content directly. You just need to choose the input type, like I am generating content for meta description, so I choose meta description. Then you need to select the content, so I select this one, and if I click on import selected, then it will be imported in this meta description section. So I click on import and it imported it successfully. So we filled this SEO setting perfectly. Now we move to newsletter. Here are newsletter setting. Configure your newsletter subscription widget. It will show a newsletter widget on the front side. If you enable this, then a newsletter will be show on your front side, so you can configure your newsletter with the headline, sub-headline, and button text. So I have configured newsletter very well. So next we'll move to social. Now we move to footer. Configure your website footer. This will allow us to configure our footer. So if I choose, then it will enable custom footer, and you can edit your footer text like it is 2026. Team name is bullfit. Write it down. Okay, so I have configured the footer content. Move to settings. Here is website primary color. You can say primary color of the website. You can change this color. You can choose any color what you want. Like default was like this, so I will go with default color. Okay, you can hide default websites banner from displaying, so I'm not going to hide any banner. And there is enable BMI calculator, allow users to calculate their BMI, so I will make it enable so my clients will be able to calculate your BMI. Okay, so this is general setting. Next is GDPR. You can set your GDPR data cookie consent controls, configure your cookie banner, consent messaging, and data subject request detail. So you can enable or disable cookie consent banner. I need to click on this save button, so my configuration will be saved. As you can see, domain setting updated successfully. Okay, so my domain configuration is saved. Now the next section is manage sliders. Currently there is no slider. These sliders will allow you to show sliders on the your home page of your front site. In order to create, so the slider is created. Okay, I will create two more sliders, but I am not going to record this. So first I add this slider and I will show you these sliders. So here you can see I have added two more sliders and it will look fine on my front side. So you can add many sliders as you want, but there is some capping around 5 to 7 sliders max you can add. Okay, now I again move to domain list. So the next section is manage banners. This section will allow you to add banners on the front side. The banners will be shown on the home page and the other pages as well. So if you click on create banner, my banner will be created. Okay, you can view your banner here. Open, you can open your link via this here, but link is not a valid URL, so I am not going to open this. Here you can edit your banner image. You can remove this from here, and you can change your banner link and position. If you change position, then you need to change the banner according to recommended size. Okay, So you can also delete your banner from here. You can do this same for sliders. I forget to cover this, but you can view your sliders as well. Like you can see your sliders. Okay, like you can see your sliders images, and you can edit. You can remove background images, slider images, and upload another in place of these images. You can update your title, tagline, subtitle, etc. You can enable disable your CTA and the slider status. Okay, you can update all the sliders data, and you can delete the slider image as well. So the next part is legal pages. So here is the legal pages part, where you can need to add page title for about us page, page subtitle, section title, section description, section image. So we will generate all this with AI. Then import, and the subtitle is imported. Page title will be about us for now. Uh, like this, you can insert all the details like section titles, section descriptions, and section image. And there is the button display the about us section on home page. How I write all the stuff as my own and show you. So I filled the details like section title, section description, and section image. You can choose image on your own, and you can also remove the image. Okay, this is the preview. So now we move to contact. So FAQ is uh, added. Contact form is completely generated. Now we move to privacy. I have inserted all the details. Now I click on save privacy policy. I am also need to save the contact page. You need to save all pages one by one. Click on save about us page. Okay, so all these are saved. Now we move to terms and condition. Very well, saved it, and terms and condition pages is configured. Now these are refund policies. So going to publish, so I save different policy. So here I set all my legal pages, like you can say, about us page, contact page, privacy policy, terms and refund. So now we will cover another action on for my domain. So we will talk about domain info. Now we again move to domain listing page. Now we will go to another action, which is custom domain. In this section, you can run your website, your front site on a custom domain. For this, you just need to add a custom domain like yourdomain.com, and after adding the domain, the gym owner or then owner need to add the, like I show you, fit.com. Then if I add this custom, I want to run my site on this custom domain, then the owner need to update this value in the DNS provider and update the CNAME record with this value. So after adding your custom domain name, just click on update domain and your custom domain will be added successfully. I'm not going to add this right now, this card. And using this, your domain will be delete. Uh, are you sure you want to delete this domain? This action cannot be undone. Okay. If you delete your domain, then it will delete all the stuff related to your domain, including your clients' data that are connected with that domain, trainers, staff, classes, session, events, workshop, products, and all the related stuff will be gone, and you will not be able to recover for that domain. You will need to create those stuff again. Now we will go to next module, which is staff. First we will add a staff, then trainer, and then we will add clients manually and sign up their accounts via the front end site. So first we go to staff, uh, and we add an staff. Certification, not any permission. If you provide any permission to the staff, then the staff will be able to manage that module. Like if I provide view, and modify, then the staff, Sarah, will be able to view and modify, including create, edit, and delete any trainer, any staff, any product category, product tags, any clients. She can assign any trainer to any clients. She can see client progress. She can message any clients. She can view, modify, and assign clients. She can view and modify sessions as well as events, workshops, blogs, vlog, video, router, uh, payment gateway, integration, notification manager, bulk SMS. I provide her all access because she is my manager. I am giving all the permissions to Sarah. Now, as you can see, the permitted things. There are so many permissions which you can give your staffs for each module, like for vlogging view, vlogging modify, payment gateway, etc. There are so many permissions. You can add an image for your uh, staff. So I add an image of Sarah. I choose upload and I upload Sarah image and I click on create staff and the staff is created. Here you can see Sarah Miller, female, experience 2 years, and she's my manager. Okay, now I will add other staffs later, but we will move to trainer. So in order to add trainer, we will add trainer here. Permission, so I gave it permission to view other trainers, view all staff. He can view products, modify all products. He can view all clients and not client progress. He can view and modify client classes, sessions, and events, workshop, blogs, etc. So this is how I gave him some basic permissions, like for user, for trainer, sorry. And after these permissions, I upload an image for my trainer. He is my David. Uh, and then I click on create trainer. Is taking long, but finally it is added. My trainer is added. You can view your trainer. You can edit your trainer. Any of the details like trainer have, gender and etc. You can add. Uh, you can delete your trainer also. You can add as many trainer you want from here. Now before moving to classes, we will just add a client for just demo purpose. Then we will move to class sessions. this picture. So I am okay. It is telling like I need to update password. I think it is okay now. Yeah, client is added successfully. There is another point. When you add a client, you have to assign a trainer. Although you can leave it blank, but if you want to assign a trainer to your client, then you can assign. You can change login status of your client. You can view your client. So I am gonna assign a trainer to my client Erin. So here I assign David to my client Erin. So here you can see David is now trainer of Eden, and you can see progress of David. There is no progress for now, but we will update it later. Here you can add weight, like its weight is 65, height is 170, age 27, male. Okay, moderate activity. Okay, I'm going with this. Entry date is like today. Type goal is maintain weight. Okay. Goal weight is I'm increasing it to 68. Target date is like next month around. We will head to uh, I'm leaving it blank. If I click on save progress, then you can see progress is added over here with a goal. There is no note, that's why it's not showing. BMR is like this and the calorie is like this. uh, you can see recent changes, daily changes, weekly changes. Here you can see the client progress. You can add client progress. Client also can update their progress or add a new entry, new log in your progress. So here you can see the chart of the weight and BMI trend. Here is goal tracker. I think it is okay. Then we move to edit client, where you can edit any client. Here is a note: leave password fields blank if you don't want to change the password. Okay, for now I am not changing anything. If you want to update client name or etc., then you can update your client. Here client is updated. You can see you can delete your client. Before deleting, I want to show you, you can message your client. If like I'm messaging to Aaron, hey Aaron, how your workout is going. Yeah, message is sent from file launcher, and the message will be received to the client. Here is a refresh message, where you can refresh the chat. You can search any message throughout the chat, and there is the export chat option. If you click on this, the chat will be exported as a text form. Here you can attach any file or anything you want to send in this chat, like WhatsApp and like any other chatbot. So we have shown the dashboard, client, channel, staff. Now we are moving to classes. Here is a class list where owner and the permitted staff or trainer can add a class. So I'm gonna add a class. So class title is uh, daily yoga. Sorry, yoga classes. Duration is around 45 minutes. Description is this is a daily morning yoga class of bullfit. Tags is like yoga, meditation. It is okay for now. You can add or update the status, like the class is active for now. So I have created a class. Yeah, you can see. After creating a class, we need to add clients to this class. You have to assign clients who will join this class via online or offline session. But here we will create only online session for now. So I assign a client to the class. So I click on this and check the checkbox for the client which I want to assign to the class. After this, I click on save changes, and here you can see my client is assigned to this class. Now the client add-in can access the yoga classes and it's all session which have yoga classes. You can view your class. Yeah, you can view your there is no upcoming session. We will create session later, like, but we can see classes after creation. You can also edit your class, like title, duration, and other information. You can update or add for your class. You can delete your class also. If you delete your class, then all the sessions related to the class will be deleted as well. uh, Products for our gyms, as you can sell products on your front end side also. In order to create products, I'll prefer need to create the category and tags first. So I'm gonna add my first products. For that, I will first create a category and then tags for my product. So this is my first product, whey performance protein. The category is protein and recovery. I need to insert a category name over here and click on create, and your category will be created like this. You can edit your category name or save it. You can also delete your category. You can insert as many tags you want to create, but make sure the only single tag will be added at a time. Do not try to add more tags, more than one tags at a time. So this is my first tag, like this I have created. You can see, like, add it. You can edit this text. You can delete like this. Tag will be deleted. So I add some text and show you. So here you can see I have added some tags and categories for my product. Now I'm gonna add product. In order to create your product, click on add and need to insert details, like this is my product. Click on create product, then it will create your product. You can see tab is accessory and pricing like this. Here is now stock. You can inactive your product. If you toggle this, then now your product will not if you click on, if your status is inactive, then your product will not show on the front side. So I am keeping it active. You can view your product like this. You can edit your product information, your product, and you can delete your product also. You can search product by type, by status. You can see the listing of by per page. So I'm gonna add more products, but not going to record this for now. So here you can see I have added some more products to make it look good, where you can change the status of any products, see stock quantity, current stock quantity, pricing, and you can view, edit and delete. You can search status like shaker or bottle. You can search by type. Currently I have added only accessories, and you can show by status active, inactive. So all the products are active for now, so it is not showing inactive. uh, like if I click on inactive, then if you search by this, then oh sorry, need to status inactive for this. Oh, status is inactive now, and if you click on this, then it will show you adjustable gloves. This is inactive, and you can see listing of all the products. uh, Now, we move to offers and coupons. In this section, we will add some coupon code for our membership plans. Using that, our clients and members will be able to get some discount on the membership prices. So first, we will create an offer. This is my offer code, and this is the title for my offer. I need to add a description for offer that will help to understand what about the offer have for membership plans, and you can choose discount type as a percentage or fixed amount. If you choose percentage, then discount value will also be added as a percentage, and if you choose fixed amount, then you can insert the discounted value in dollars or a fixed amount. So currently I am choosing percentage, and the discount value will be 30% in this case. It is valid from this now to 3 to 2026. Okay. The users limit is around 150, and status is active. So if you click on create offer, then your offer will be created. You can see. Now I will add some more offers. I show you how. As you can see, I have added some more offers. Uh, you can view your each offer like this. The users limit will be a variable, and it could be changed when someone use the offers. You can edit your offer from here, including all the details. You can delete your offer by clicking on this delete button. You can change the status of your offer, like if you check this, uncheck this, then your offer will be inactive. Now we will add some blogs for our front end site. I will show you how you can add blogs. When you want to generate a blog, then you need to first click on create blog post. We will generate a blog using AI. So first I will click on this button, and I will select the language. So my selected language is English, and my blog is about uh, uses of sorry, benefits daily gym. Okay. Now I click on generate blog. So here you can see blog is generated. Here is a blog image. Here is blog title, introduction, conclusion, key takeaways, and there are two options: copy content, import to form. So here you can see if I click on import to form, then you can see all the details related to this blog is inserted. The URL will be inserted of the image. Now you have to generate a blog description and blog badge for your blog. So I insert these all two. So I have added blog description, and if I click on submit, then it will be saved. Here you can see blog is generated and the status is published. If you uncheck this, then your blog will be unpublished and user cannot see this. If you click on, then you can see all the comments or that are posted on your blogs, like according to rating, and you can search the comment also. Now you can edit the blog from here, like title, badges, introduction, description, etc. You can also upload or update the image via URL or via upload image option. You can remove the image from here, and you can set the blog comment setting from here. If you untoggle this, then your blog will not show the comments. And there are another option, enable blog comment add button. If you uncheck this, then user cannot add more blogs. So you can either off any of this, like, or if you click on this, then the both will be disabled. After this, if you click on update blog, then your blog will be updated. Here you can see you can clone this blog post by clicking of this. If you click on this, then your blog will be cloned, and you can choose domain from here. If you have multiple domain, multiple gyms, then you can clone blog from one domain to another domain by using this option. Now you can delete your blogs from here. So you can search blog from here. We will video creator, and we will create a video over here. First, I create on create video button. Here you can see there are an option video scenes where you can add video scenes up to 14, and on the right side of the panel there are a live preview. You can see the preview of this current slide. In the next step, there are video setting options where you can set resolutions of the video, like portrait, square, landscape. You can choose background, like solid color, image. You can upload image, and video. You can upload video. Then there is an audio settings. You can choose audio either from library or you can upload it manually. And there is a volume option for the music source or the outside music. And there is a language option where you can choose the language of the audio, and there are you can select voice for your voice of the video, like you can see preview of the
Hi,
voice,
my name is Ivy. I will read any text you type here.
any of the voice.
Hi, I'm Matthew. I will read any text you type here.
Yeah. And so I will create in video. If you like write any text, this is a demo text. Then your text will be shown in the screen. You can see. You can set text position as I am showing in the screen. Top left, uh, top middle left, bottom left, uh, middle of the bottom, center. You can set text position where this like joystick types option. You can add any scene image, like I have choose this one. You can and I see the text to right and image to this side and text in middle. So you can set your image and text position, and you can also animate the image. It will work like this. You can set animation. Your animation will be show over here. You can set text font family, like you can see text is changing. So this is how you can set your text font family, text size, like text color, like this, like this. And then you can do the same for every slide. You can add slide as many want, like, but max you can add up to 14 slides. You can also close any slide by clicking on this. So first I will set some basic data in order to create a video. Then we will create video. Here you can see I have added all scenes for my gym video. Like you can see, this is my scenes with the added text and images. I have insert all the required details, select positions and animations. Now you can see video settings, the video resolutions, the background type, the uploaded background images, and the audio setting as well. There are I have chosen music from music library, selected the volume and voice language with voice type. After this detailed submission and satisfied with the preview, you can go with create video and your video will be created. And currently it is in pending as it done by cron. So once the video will be created, I will show you the created video. Here you can see video is created. You can play video
No
from
one
here
sees this part. They only see the
like this.
results. The way doesn't care how you feel. You show up anyway. That's where
You can download your video from here. uh, it is downloading. Once it is fetched successfully, so here you can see video is downloaded. Okay, if you check this toggle hidden from site, then your video visibility will be updated and it will not show on your front side. You can edit your video. You can edit any step of your video from here. Currently it is loading the video data. Like you can edit any scenes, text positions, image position, and including like every stuff we used to generate video previously. You can update any of thing, like image, background image, resolution, audio setting, etc. You can update the whole video. You can delete your video from here, and you can see your video by status. You can search your video among of the all videos. You can sort by pages. Now we will move to AI writer. In this section, we can generate any content using AI. For this, we just need to write a prompt like this: sales and payment section. In this section, you can manage your sales, payments, and member activities. Like I will show you every module one by one. In this section, you can see your all member purchases, like all your membership purchased by your clients. If you click on this, then it will show you the purchase list where you can see the member name, the item means the membership plans which he or she purchased, the type, the amount, and the status and date, and actions where you can update and delete the purchase. You can see all the cancelled purchase, failed purchase, pending purchase, paid purchase, and total revenue over here. You can see the activity of all the purchases, uh, short by like membership, course, ebook, accessory, all type of purchases you can see. And you can also see the analytics by today, weekly, monthly, and yearly, where you will find a chart of revenue trends, purchase count trends, purchase states distribution. In this section, you can also export all the purchases detail via this export option. When you click it, it will export your all the purchase in CSV files. And this is the payment section where you can track payments transaction. This section will show you all the payments, like recurring payments, normal payments, one time payments, monthly payments, and yearly payments. All type of payments which was done on your front side will be shown over here, where it will also same like the previous section we have seen. In this section you also see the member's name, item type, provider. Provider means the payment gateway which the payment was done. The same as previous section, you can export these two. You can see all the activities related to payments, like all the payment analytics with the status and types of the purchases, and short pay, weekly, yearly, monthly. And you can see payment amount trends, transaction contents, and payment status distribution. This is the same like purchases, but the purchases show the all analytics and listing related to purchase, and the payment shows all related to the payment data. Like it shows every payment, it shows every purchase. And this is the membership section, which shows your active and expired membership which is bought and assigned to your clients. It is showing no subscription found, means there is no active subscription for your gym. If any of your clients have any active membership of your gym, then it will be shown over here. It will also show an expired membership, so you can find all the purchase in previous, current, and past membership over here. This is the lead management section, where you can see all the leads you will get from your front side via newsletter section. This is the redeem offer. When you create any offer and it is redeemed successfully, then it will be shown over here, where you can see total count, total discounted apply, total amount, and the average discount per redemption, where it will align with all the purchases or payments and list you the members related details and the coupon related details, item type, discount, etc. This is the contact inquiries. When you allow your front side having a contact form, then the form will get some leads and inquiries, and the inquiries will be shown over here. Your front side contact form have any inquiry, and it will be listed to here. Now this is the payment gateway section where you can add payment gateway like PayPal if currently the gateway is inactive, and you can send the environment of the gateway. It has two options: testing and productions. And according to environment, like either it is testing or production, you have to add your client ID and the client secret you need to add over here. You can set the status after filling the details like client ID secret. You can set the status, it can be active or inactive. After setting the status, like I am choosing this active and click on update setting, then PayPal gateway is updated and it is show it is active. Either the client ID and client secret is incorrect, I know it very well, but when user client the client try to payment on your PayPal, it will show him an error like your PayPal gateway is not configured correctly. So please add the correct client ID and client secret over here. I'm gonna inactive this now. So your PayPal is inactive. You can do the same thing for Stripe. It is currently inactive. If you are using testing or live environment, like I am adding the testing for now. This is just for demo purpose. And the client secret is like this. Then update status. Then your Stripe will be active, as you can see. So please add the correct client ID, client secret details for making it work. Next, we move to feedback. This is the feedback section where you find all the feedbacks you will get from the clients. Send you a feedback. So there is a trainer resource section. In this section, uh, you can add any resource for all clients or any particular clients. We will see how it works. First, we will create our first resource. So here are a form of the resource you can see. First, I will start writing resource. What is this? So this is a video like how to do push ups. Okay, the description is this video this video will show you how to do push-ups push-ups in the right way with proper posture and proper guide. So after this description, you can choose your resource, either it is video or exercise plan. So my current resource is video, so I am going with the video. You can choose the access level. If you want to send the resource to all clients, then you can send it to all. If you want to send it to any assigned clients, then go with the assigned client only. You will see you will able to listing of all the clients. If you choose this, your selected clients will be shown over here. You can see add the duration of the video, although it is optional, but like I am adding this in seconds, so it is 500. Okay, you can, it is not required, you can keep it blank. You need to add and resource thumbnail. Like for uploading the resource thumbnail, just click on to upload thumbnail, then choose your thumbnail. It will show over here. Then video configuration, you can use any mp4 url over here. You can use YouTube, and you can use Vimeo also. So there are three available options: YouTube, Vimeo, and direct URL. So I am gonna add an YouTube URL over here. So I have added my YouTube video URL, and after configured it properly, I will click on create and publish resource. So the resource will be published for my selected clients, and you can see the access is for assigned clients, where the if you click on this, then your resource will be deactivated, and the assigned clients will also not able to see this. If you click on this, then you will be able to edit this resource. You can change the thumbnail, YouTube video URL, and all the other stuff like name, description, etc. And from here you can delete your resource. So here was this was your owner dashboard and owner modules. Now we will look first staff, and then we will move to trainer modules. Now we will move to staff panel. So first I will log in as a staff. So as you can see, we have created a staff with this email. And now I am logging with the staff ID. So here you can see this is the staff dashboard. Sarah Miller is my manager, and it is able to see all the things as I have permitted to see Sarah, like all the things. As you can see in front of you, I have permitted with all the modules with Sarah like this. She can generate, create clients, trainer, and staff, classes, session, all the things she can access, which we have discussed in the owner panel. But if I want, like Sarah will not be able to use the integration settings and autoresponder and payment gateway, so access denied, because payment gateway was not assigned to Sarah. Responded was like assigned permitted to Sarah, and the integration also. So I am gonna remove these integration settings and autoresponder setting from Sarah. So first I log out from Sarah. I log in with owner account, and if I go to uh, like Sarah account, so I edit these permissions like this. I need to uh, remove autoresponder, and like you can see payment delete and integration modify, you can see, and payment gateway. Now after updating all the permissions, I click on save changes, and the permission of the Sarah will be updated. Now I log out from the owner account and log in from the Sarah account. So here you can see the payment gateway is related and the other integration services is hidden for Sarah. She is now cannot access the unpermitted modules now. All the modules which are showing to his left menu are permitted by owners, and the unpermitted menus are hidden for the Sarah. So we have discussed all the modules like clients will be work as it is, like working for owners, trainers. We have discussed the trainers, staffs. Sarah can also add staffs. She can create classes. She can create sessions like it is showing to the him, showing to her. You can see events also, shops, and the other stuffs like plants and products, etc. So after uh, looking into the staff panel, we will log in as a trainer. I will show you how trainer is different from the staff and from the owner also, and how the trainer panel works. So first I log out from a staff and log in as trainer. So now I logged in as a trainer, and you can see trainer have only limited permissions like clients. So as you can see, this is the client who messaged not showing perfectly because the trainer is only permitted to see only clients. You can only see trainers except the this one. You can see staffs as Sarai's manager. He can only view, but he can create classes, edit to it as we have permitted him to all these modules. Here is the sessions you can see, and there are many more things. Like if you permit any of the things to David, so I show you how David can permit it with the things like these are the current permission of David's. Now I enhance this uh, staff trainer clients. So client messenger, I have allowed to, and client progress too. Then I allow to view vlogs, view videos, and uh, not offers, purchases, payments, but I will allow him to update, manage availability, trainer schedules, and training resource, trainer assign clients, progress, client messenger, show client payment details, etc. After the updated permissions, I click on save. Permissions are provided to trainer. Login again with the David. Here you can see all the modules Now we will look deeply into the trainer's dashboard, trainer account. As we know, the staff account is kindly similar of owner account with limited permissions. So here you can see clients. Now I have permitted with the client progress. So the trainer can see client progress, can update and add one more log new entry. Now he can message any client in the client messenger, like it's sent to owner. Hey Aaron, how our workout is going. So if I message this, I am tracking him. So if I send this, this will also send as like owner, trainer, and staff will be in the right side, and the client will be left side. I can also attach any of the file to this chat. Uh, Now there is an assigned client section, which is not the part of owner and staff. This is only will be allowed on trainers. So in this section, any trainer can see his assigned clients. These modules is only this module you can only find on the trainer panel. In this section, trainer can see view details of the clients. He can see client purchases. As we can say, client did not purchase anything right now, so it is not showing anything. Now we move to client progress, as we have previously discussed, and later this there is on sorry we are on signed clients, so he can see access the client messenger. In this section, only assigned clients to that trainer will be shown, and in this section all the clients uh, trainer can see if it is permitted to trainer. There are too many there are both the different permissions, one for all clients and second for assigned clients. And in this section, trainer can see all the trainers, staffs with the permitted classes, and we will discuss newly added modules like my availability and my schedules. These are the only four trainer modules especially made for trainers. Like trainer need to set weekly working hours and availability, and apply templates like Monday to Friday. If I click on this, then I can add slot also. So I click on Saturday and 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, and click on save availability. So the weekly availability of trainer will be saved. You can see this section only, especially only for client trainer, made for trainer. Now, after the setting of the weekly availability, we will go to my schedules, where so on this page you can see all the schedules of trainer, like upcoming sessions and the time off. So if you want to see the availability, then you can click on this, and if you are to see all the schedules of trainer, then if I had a leave and request for a leave, then I will create for start date 29. Start time is like 8 a.m. to end time is 6 p.m. And that also will be same for reason personal, like I added and time off request and approved personal. You can edit the request from here. You can delete the request from here, and you can see the trainer all sessions and time off from here. Like the session in the session, thing trainer is not assigned. So if you assign trainer David Chen, trainer is not available at the selected period 7 a.m. As you can say, the time is not for that. So if I choose it 9 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. and I click on update, then trainer is available. You can see, so trainer is available, and my schedule is sessions. If you go to this, then assign this, trainer is available at that time, and click on update session. As you can say, session was between the 24 to 23rd, and the sessions will be show the upcoming session for the trainer over here. This is not showing currently. We will look into the issue. uh, and here are some trainer resource where trainer can add resource. Like we are not permitted it the trainer right now, but trainer can add resource if he want to add. Now we will move to first front side first, then we will discuss the client panel. So firstly we will move to site, which is uh, this. This is our front side. I click on view. The front side is edit. Here you can see we have worked on that BMI calculator. As you know, we have enabled the BMI calculator, so anyone can like weight is 65, height is 170 centimeter, age is 25, and it's male. So if you click on this, then it will calculate your BMI. Here is the trainer section where you can see trainer details like this. You can send email to trainer directly, call now, and the other info related to trainer. When you click on this, you can see all the trainers. Currently, there is one trainer only, David Chan, you know, and after this, uh, our plan, membership plans, you can say. There are three plans we have created. If you go to monthly, you will find these. Yearly, you find these, and free, there are no free plans. If you click on view all plans, then you will move to these sections where you can get start your plan. If you click on this, then it will redirect you to login, cause you are not login, so you cannot purchase any plan. uh, After this, there are vlogs added by us. There are option to watch the vlog. These are our vlogs. You can add comment, but firstly you need to uh, insert name, email, image, and etc. like this. Mm. We will add and comment. We will look into this all the stuff. We will go through one by one from start to end. We are just overviewing the front side. Uh, After the vlogs, we move to blog section where you can read the vlog this, and you can hide and show these vlogs and blog posts from the owner and the permitted panel. Here is your newsletter section where you can insert any email and click on subscribe. Then it will subscribe and generate lead for you. Here are the customized footer, which is customized by us on the owner panel. Here are membership, trainers, workshop, events. When you click on any of this, then you will redirect to the connected panel. Here are some contact. Here is the contact page, privacy policy and terms and conditions. You can also update these page too. Here are the terms of conditions of the sites and gym. Here are the refund policy we have created. Now we will start uh, from about to video first, but before this we will log in from an client account, and first we will sign up. So here you can see you can change the language of the site. Like if I click on Dutch, then the sites will be converted into Dutch language, as you can see in the header. The other stuff is converted into Dutch, like you can see. So I back to the English, and before moving ahead, first we will sign up with an client account. Now we will register as a client, like John Doy, and email is johndoy at the gmail.com. Phone number is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for dummy purpose, not the exact the correct one. And the password is, I have said password. The account is like created, you can see. So I log in with the account I have just recently created and click on sign in. So it is signing into client account. You can see there is another option you will find, dashboard. We will move this section later. First we will talk about, like, this is the about of our site, about us, our story section which we have created. These are the contact section, uh, which we have allowed the, like, you can leave your message, name, email, and here you can write your message. You can write any subject, and this will send to the owner. Owner can see all the message, and the leads, the emails will be set as a autoresponder leads, which we have talked about in the owner panel. These are the contact details set by the owners or the permitted staffs, which can add address, phones, email, etc. Now these are the memberships which is created by owner. As you can see, we have created all these one. If I click on any of these, then I need to first fill details to purchase in order to purchase the membership. If you have any coupon code, then you can write the code over here and click on apply, and it will be applied. Here are your billing information, and as you can see, no payment methods are available, so you cannot pay for this purchase. If it is available, then you will be able to pay for this membership. We will first add an payment gateway from the owner end, then I'll show you this again. Now we have added payment gateway, and if I click on get started again, so here you can see there are two payment gateways are added, PayPal and Stripe. So there you can see two buttons for pay. So I will go with PayPal. First I will log in with my account and then show you. So here you can say I have logged in PayPal, and now I have to pay for this. You will see many options for there to pay. Uh, I pay with this, and you can see payment completed successfully, where you can see your active membership. This is the client dashboard where you can see your active membership. As you can see the tag, the duration, and the current period is Jan 26 to March 26, days remaining 31. Next billing is this date. If you click on view detail, then you can view the detail of plan over here. There are the plans, uh, like things, tags that the plans have. So we will discuss about the dashboard later. First, I go to blogs after purchasing the membership. So here is my blog section where you can read blog. If you click on read, then it will show you the blog. Here you can see it is looking quite pretty. You can share it from here. And now we move to vlogs. These are vlogs where you can search vlog via search option. If you click on watch, then it will show you discussed a detailed vlog page where you can add comment. There is no comment right now. If I click on add comment, so name is like John, email John Doy at gmail.com. The profile image is optional, so I am not going to upload the image. Rating is 5 star. I can make it down, but I'm gonna with 4 comment. This is very useful and awesome blog. If I click on post comment, then the comment will be posted. Here you can see. Now there are trainer section where you can see all the trainer section. This section will allow you to show all the trainers. Where you click on detail, the trainer detail like including mobile number if they are added, their experience and other added things. You can send mail directly to the trainer. You can call directly if you are logging with mobile, and the other details related to trainer. Now we move to podcast. Sorry, products. So these are the products. Same like membership. If you want to purchase any product, then click on like I show you this by now. Select the quantity from here. You can add coupon code. Here are your billing details and the payment method. If you purchase any of this, like I show you how you can purchase. I'm gonna with PayPal. So if I click on pay, here you can see my purchase. First was the cancelled and the other was to paid in your purchase section. We will discuss dashboard in detail later. First, we will move to the front side. After purchasing the product, you can detail any product by clicking on the product. Like if I click on any product in detail, oh sorry, this is the also the detail page. There are the events which we have added from the admin panel. Uh, it is $20 for now. Click on view, and here you can see the registration, the event details. If you want to register for this event, then click on like this page and the user is 100. The event is the date is expired, so you cannot register this event. There are the workshop. If you want, this is free. If you want to register the workshop, then you can first view detail of the registration, the workshop. If you want to register this, then click on register, insert your detail, and if you click on register for this free workshop, then you are successfully registered for this free workshop, and it will show you dashboard section. We will later discuss this. Now this is the video section where you can see all the detail, all the videos which are showing publicly. If you click on this, then a detailed video will be shown to
No
you.
one sees this part. They only see the results. The way doesn't.
Okay, now there are subscribe section. We will add a query over them. If I click on subscribe now, then my mail will be added on the corner panel. Now we move to also you can change the language of this one site. If I click on Arabic, then it is translating the complete page, the whole website, like you can see. Now I again move to English. Here is our dashboard section, where first this is a dashboard where you can see all the sessions. Uh, in this dashboard section where you can go with all your sessions, events, workshop, membership, etc. We will discuss about this later. In order to your weight in BMI trend, you can log a new entry. Like if you go to this, then it will redirect you to progress tracker, and you can view all the sessions, all events, manage plans, and quick access. Here are some quick access. Then we will go every section, every module one by one. First, this is the progress tracker. There are no added details right now, So first we will add details like we have previously discussed. For the client, the weight is 68, height is 175, gender is male. Okay, the age is 28, male, activity level moderate, entry rate is this, gain weight, goal weight is like 70, target date is like we choose Feb 28 Feb. Okay, there are no note. If project is saved, then this is our the BMI, this is the BMR, and the calorie goal is gain goal 0% towards the 70 kg. Here you can see recent changes. Here are some goal trackers and the adult ideal BMI and the other info related to your personal progress. If you go to my purchase, then it will show you how all your purchase, like you can see all the failed and the purchased. This is also showing workshop, although it is free, but it will show you in the your purchase. You can see in the view payment. So here are your paid things. If your any of your purchase is free, then it will show will not show in the payment section. It will only show in the my purchase section. You can set by status failed. It is showing a paid pending. So there are no pending purchase. There are no failed purchase. There are one cancel purchase which we can see. If you click on membership, then it will show you all membership like you can see. Course, currently we have did not purchase any course. Accessories, so we have purchased one accessories. Now we move to payment, then it will show you all your payment in detail, where you can see the purchase title, payment method, the location, and paid on the time, billing information and the amount, the tag of the transactions, either it is completed or not. Here uh, you can see all your active membership. You can click on detail for the membership. Okay, and this is the messenger where you can talk with any owner or allowed the messenger, like click on hi, and it is sent to the owner or the trainer which have access to your message section. You click on my sessions, there is no current session for you, like you are not added for any session. First, if I go to this, then I allow you any session. I need to allow you the classes. If I allowed you, then you can see all your upcoming session with the timing. Here you can see all your upcoming sessions. It will not show you all, but next 10 or 20 session it will show you. There are history, which are the completed session, and these are the events as upcoming events registered by you, so it is not showing you. If you want to go to past event, still it will not show you event because you did not register any event in the past. So when you register an event, then it will show you in the upcoming session, and the event is when it is completed, then it will show you in the past event section. And same as well for workshop, like you can see upcoming workshop 29 Jan and started registered. If you go to past workshop, so it will not show you any workshop because you did not register. If you provide any feedback to gym or owner. So we have provide any feedback service, uh, service feedback. Your gym service is good. Okay, so you can see all your feedbacks in your my feedback section where you can view the, as you can see the title is pending because it did not read by owner or the assigned module like trainer or staff, so it is showing pending. You can edit your feedback, update your feedback like this, and this feedback will be updated. You can delete your feedback from here. First we will see this feedback on the owner end. So on the owner side I have logged in already. Now I go to move feedback section. So here you can see feedback from John Doe and it is still pending. So if I click on mark as reviewed, then feedback status update, it is reviewed. You can also see this feedback like it is reviewed. If you mark as resolved, then it will show you how the feedback tags changes. Then it is resolved. If owner reply to this feedback, then uh, you can update your reply. So the client will get your reply in the my feedback section. Here you can see the reply. You can also view your feedback like this. Now the last section of this, like, oh sorry, in this section trainer resource, there are no resource provided to this client. So if I want to client this provide any trainer resource, so I will go to this and assign only clients. I will assign one more. As you can see I have added John Doe. If I click on save and update resource, then this resource will be show to uh, client. He can go with all the resource. Okay, the video is not opening right now, so your client can see all resource. Here is your profile section, the client profile section, where client can update his profile. First we have added our subscribers, so we will also see this section. Here are I like uh, in this section we will move to, if you go to bulk SMS and create a campaign, then in the lead section you can see your leads. Okay, so this is how you can see this section. So we have still discussed the owner, trainer, staff and the client panel. uh, Thank you so much.